In this video, I will show you how you can use the Mesh Deform feature. To begin with, select the object as active and begin the deformation. You have added a geoprimitive grid according to the size of the object. In order for you to straighten the object, you need to adjust the geoprimitive so that it coincides with the bend. You will deform the mesh under the bend and be sure to add more mesh to straighten it more accurately. The object must not go outside the grid. Then you click on the Build button. It syncs the feature mesh with the geoprimitive mesh and applies the primitive. To untie the grid, you can also click on the same button again. And now you just need to change the mesh warp to 0 back to its original state when it was flat. Now you can click the Apply button. And you will get a flat object. You can also just use Mesh Deform to deform the object. And also after binding the mesh, you can edit the mesh in edit mode and it will affect your object, or hide the mesh to better see the deformation process. You have many axes, you can make different interesting shapes and combine them. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of interesting things. This add-on has many functions, see the following video.